Hello everyone! Again, here we are. This is Amazing Grace Vlog. Today I'm going to cook. We're going to grill. We're going to barbecue. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what are the ingredients of this Filipino style barbecue. But before anything else, to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and share and subscribe. And also, click the notification bell so you're updated to all the videos that I'm going to share. Let's start! So guys, today we're going to make Filipino style barbecue. We're going to marinate our meat into my own special recipe. Of course, it's so easy guys. You know, ang Filipino barbecue is manamis-namis, diba? So we have salt, pepper, I already have toyo mansi, so I don't need to use calamansi, but I still have lemon just in case. And I have, this is the number one ingredients that we really need in making and marinating meat that we're going to barbecue. Of course, salt, pepper, and we have, of course, brown sugar. And we're going to use also today's, we're going to pair it into Norwegian food. So I'm going to fry potatoes together with the vegetables. And I'm going to use this mais. I'm going to grill it. So this is it, guys. But today I'm going to show you how to marinate and cut meat. Normally, I don't need to cut it because it's already perfect, guys, this one. But since my daughter requested that she wanted to eat barbecue Filipino style in a stick, so I have to cut some meat into this sizes because liliit pa po yan, guys. Pag-reduce yan ng size once na natin, nasala na sa mainit na uling, nagbabagang uling. So we have this, honestly this is also not good because it's more on, this is the neck part of the meat, pork meat. So it has always a little bit of fat and also meat. So this is perfect, guys, because I really don't like too much fat and too much and only meat. So this is perfect. And the rest of this I'm going to keep. I'm going to also, this bone part, I'm going to make a soup. Like we normally call in Philippines the buto-buto. So I have to separate. But this one is so tiny, so I don't need to cut it because I think I have to 1, 2, 3 pieces of this, the tiny slices. Then I'm going to fry together. But this big one, this big part that I really need to cut it into small bites or small pieces. And then keep the bone for our next menu, which is buto-buto. Guys, our meat that I cut into small pieces, into bite size, like this, as big as this. And the rest of this tiny one, this is so thin, we're going to add it there also, and we're going to marinate it together with them. The rest of this meat, we're going to use the same procedure. There you go. And we're going to add our ingredients. First and foremost is the potato. And I also realized, guys, that this soy sauce, the tuyumansi that I use is much so healthier than the normal soy sauce. Oh, and last, I have the glove. It's a rubber glove that I bought the long time. And we're going to do this. We're gonna need more soy sauce. So that's I'm going to use. So there you go, guys. I have rock salt. It's I think it's 5 kilos because I use it to making salted egg. You're gonna watch out for that, guys. Salted egg that I make. Salted egg. Because guys, I'm a Filipino. I love Filipino food, and of course, when I eat Filipino food, I just make my own. I don't need to wait until I will go back to the Philippines. Of course, we don't have balloon here. Sometimes there is some Filipinos who are selling balloons from the Philippines, but it's crazy expensive. So I think balloons can wait until I travel back to the Philippines. But there are 10 types of Filipino food like Indian food, like fish balls. I can make myself. So, then we're gonna add of sugar. But for guys, you only see it like dry. Don't worry. You will be watery later. Of course, we have other. So we're gonna need also brown sugar because it will make our mixture and our meat real Filipino style. And the meat. Ayan na guys, maano. There you go guys, I'm going to mix it again because I just added lemon. Ayan guys, hindi natin kailangan ng diba, sa Pilipinas, nag-add tayo ng tawag na ito, ng toyo para magkaroon ng kulay. But this one, this is a perfect. This is enough. We need to add more. You can see the bottom. Others guys, they make it spicy. If you want it spicy, then you can just make sauce. Or it depends, you can also add cumin, pepper, chili powder, whatever that's what. Perfect later guys. Then we're going to cover it and let it stay for 30 minutes. Yeah, so while we're waiting for half an hour, because we put our pork inside the refrigerator, so we're going to prepare our potatoes. guys, okay na siya. So what we're gonna do is to make tusok-tusok. You know what the tusok-tusok? Like there, you guys. If you like what I'm doing, so make tusok-tusok also. But first, to make sure, I'm gonna wash it. Just grill it this way. Perfect, guys. So there you go. There you go. Just put the potatoes inside the oven. I'm going to wait. Yan. Maraming sa kamay ko na oily, so kailangan natin punasan yung mamaya. And there we go. We're going to grill it outside. So there you go, guys. We're started. Put fire in our grill. It's always like this, guys. May gas kasi yan. Kaya don't need to worry. Soon, mawawala na yan. And of course, nothing can beat barbecue session without the beautiful view of the river. Naglagay ako ng mais at saka I'm going to glaze our barbecue. Oyster sauce, barbecue sauce. Para maging malang sa masarap natin. I'm gonna add more of this. Yung sa dulo. Kasi may space pa. So we got perfectly. And we're gonna close. Here is the vegetables, guys. There it is, guys. Ito yung ating barbecue. I just need to put it day. And of course, everyone is waiting. Yes, we have these potatoes, we have vegetables, and we have also, of course,